Hello IG Garage family. Is your car's idle running too high, too low, or fluctuating? If your check engine light is on with code P0505 idle air control system malfunction, then your idle air control IAC valve might be the culprit. In this video I'll explain what P0505 means, where the idle air control valve is located, and how to fix it. Stick around till the end because I'll also recommend two important videos. P0507, idle air control system, RPM higher than expected, and P0320, ignition distributor engine speed input circuit malfunction. Let's dive in. What does P0505 mean? The P0505 code indicates that the idle air control system is not working properly. The IAC valve controls the engine's idle speed by regulating the amount of air bypassing the throttle plate. If it fails or gets clogged, your car may experience erratic idling or stalling. Symptoms of P0505. Check engine light, CL, is on. Rough or fluctuating idle speed, car stalls when stopping, RPMs don't drop when letting off the gas, engine takes longer to start. Common causes of P0505, dirty or faulty idle air control, IAC valve, vacuum leaks in the intake system, clogged throttle body, faulty wiring or connectors in the IAC circuit, bad engine control unit, ECU, though that's a rare case. The idle air control IAC valve is typically located on the throttle body. In most cars, the IAC valve is mounted directly on or near the throttle body. On the intake manifold, some vehicles place it near the intake manifold to regulate airflow, integrated with the throttle body. In newer cars, the IAC function is part of the electronic throttle body, ETB, meaning you may need to clean or replace the whole throttle body. To locate it easily, follow the throttle cable or electronic throttle connector. The IAC valve is usually attached nearby with a small electrical connector and an air passage. Check for vacuum leaks, spray brake cleaner, or carb cleaner around the intake manifold and throttle body. If RPMs change, you have a vacuum leak that needs fixing. Clean the IAC valve and throttle body. Remove the idle air control valve. Clean it using throttle body cleaner and a brush. Also clean the throttle body bore and plate to remove carbon buildup. Inspect the wiring and connector. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded connectors. Fix any broken wires before replacing the IAC valve. Replace the IAC valve if necessary. If cleaning doesn't fix the issue, install a new IAC valve and reset the system. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to erase the code. Drive the car and check if the problem is resolved. And that's how you diagnose and fix P0505 idle air control system malfunction. Keeping your IAC valve and throttle body clean can help prevent rough idling and stalling. For more troubleshooting tips, watch these two important videos next. P0507, idle air control system, RPM higher than expected, and P0320, ignition distributor engine speed input circuit malfunction. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and turn on notifications for more expert car repair videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.